We'll guide you through how to enable or disable hardware acceleration in Google Chrome. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Google Chrome. So for whatever reason you wish to enable or disable hardware acceleration, perhaps you've been advised to go and turn it on, or you want to go and turn it off. I have found with some sites that it reacts differently. Sometimes they work better with it and some without it. So what we can do is try turning it on or off and go and see how it goes and performs. We'll guide you through this step by step. It's much easier than you probably think, so make sure it's this full guide. And let's get right into this. So what we need to do is go ahead to the top right of Chrome. There you're going to go and find the three dots which you want to go and click on, and it will open up this list of options. You want to come right down to the bottom and you'll find settings, the gear or cog icon to the left. Click on it and they'll go and open up. Then what you want to do is go over to the left and go down and you'll see these different settings, and you want to go and find system at the bottom. And then you're going to go and find the option for use graphics acceleration when available. So this is what hardware acceleration is now known as. It's changed from hardware to graphics, but it is the same setting. And then what you can do is go and either switch it off or on. When you go and change it, you need to go and relaunch Chrome for the changes to be made. So that's it. You can then press relaunch and it will then be turned off, or if you turned it on, press relaunch and it'll be turned on. If you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got lots more guides like this to come, and there are already loads on the channel I'm sure you'll find useful. I look forward to help you again with your next tech problem. Goodbye for now.